we created or imported our products, we may have defined a minimum and maximum to our stock levels for each product. Based on these minimum and maximum stock levels, we can run a reorder report and easily purchase stock in to boost our stock levels. To do this, go underneath Purchases and the Reorder Report. We can filter this reorder report by product code, product description, over on the right, supplier code, and our supplier name. If we don't add filters at the top, we're going to see all products listed below. Going through the top of the column headings, we start off with the product code and description and the preferred supplier for that product. We also see the minimum and maximum stock levels for each of our products. For each product line, we can see how much stock we currently have on hand, stock that's currently on order and could be delivered any moment. There's also a few other details there I won't touch on in this particular video. Going along, we should look at the availability, so how much stock we have of each product available to sell. We also have the suggested reorder number, so based on your minimum and maximum, how much we currently have on order, how much do we need to get it up to the minimum. Going across, we have the alert, so we can see what stock is currently low or currently running on high. To customize this report, we have the Show toolbar. Within here, we can hide and show columns. For example, we may not want to see the preferred supplier, so let's hide this away. However, we may want to see the product group, so let's drag and drop that into our report. We can sort our report ascending or descending by selecting any one of the column headings. We can group our report by dragging one of the column headings into the top grey area above. Now this is the type of layout that I may want frequently. I can create a new report by selecting New and giving it a grid layout name. So let's give it the name Order Report by Product Group. Now we can see in the grid layout drop down my new saved report. This is saved on a user by user basis, so it's always ready for me to use. Now if I need to undo the groupings that I've put in before, I can drag the column heading back into the report and it's ungrouped it for me. Now let's look at our low stock alerts. We can see there's quite a lot of products here that are currently low. So let's reorder some new stock. Up the top of the user interface, let's select Reorder. From here, we're going to order the products that are currently low based on the suggested reorder number. We can put in a supplier we wish to purchase from. Use either the code of the supplier or the name or the search on the site. So I'm going to pick one of our suppliers and we're going to create a purchase order for all of the low stock. We've just received a message to say our purchase order has been created. Use the link to drill down into that purchase order. And let's look at that purchase order to see what's been ordered. I can see 7 products have been purchased and the quantity of each product. There's currently a parked purchase order, so I want to place this purchase order with our supplier and email it off.